Hello everyone, this is Amir Abbas once again, and today we are going to talk about a very simple topic, but it becomes very important at times. And this is a dummy data which I have created just for the sake of this demonstration. And the important thing in this demonstration is that there are two sheets. You can see that there is sheet one, which has this small dummy data which has been populated for the sake of this demonstration. It has three columns: ID, name, and age column. And another sheet, the next sheet, has these three columns, which is the product ID, product, and price. And what we want to do when you have this situation, when your data is on different sheets, how can you import that with the help of R? So what we need to do is that, first of all, we need to install the read_excel package if you're not installed, and I've already installed it. So I'm going to run this line to load the read_excel package. And within the read_excel package, what you need is the read_excel function. You need to put in the name of the data set, which in my case, the dummy_data, with the extension, of course, which is .xlsx, and make sure that you save your R markdown file as well as the data which you are loading in the same location, in the same folder. That's where you'll be easily able to import it. And when there are different sheet, important argument within the same function is that you have to put in the sheet equal to and the name of the sheet argument, as I showed you that the first data was present in the sheet one. So when I run this line and I'm going to run the print. So I'm going to save this data into sheet one_data, and then I'm going to print it. So when I run this whole code, you can see, I think there's some problem. Let me see what is the problem again. Okay, so it's telling me that the data set is open. So that's another important message. When your data set is open, then it will not be able to load it, as I was showing you. For the sake of demonstration, I kept it open. So I just closed it and I run it again. This time, hopefully it will work. And yes, it did work. And as I showed you that now it has loaded the data from the sheet one. And I can use the same procedure in the next line. Everything else is the same apart from two things. This first thing is that now I'm loading the data from sheet two by giving sheet two in the argument sheet of the read_excel function, and I'm saving it into sheet two_data. When I run this and print it, you will see that the data, as I showed you from the sheet two, is getting loaded. So this is how you will load the data from different sheets from Excel into R. Take care for the time being. Bye.